Here we go, guys. Oh wow, it's almost boomerang. So it's almost like a boomerang plane, and it's fly very far. Wow, you can see how far this sparrow can fly. It's fly along with the wings. Oh. First step, let's flatten the paper out, then fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper, start from this upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Then fold the paper in half again this way. Now, let's fold this part of the paper up, turn the paper this way, and fold it up. On the following step, let's start from this upper edge, fold it out. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's tuck this layer into this pocket. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Flatten the paper down, flip it over, fold it in half. Start from this upper edge, fold it out. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Flatten the paper down. Here you go. This is a new paper airplane.